Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to verify your ID on Airbnb step by step. If Airbnb is asking you to confirm your identity before booking or hosting, don't worry. I'll guide you through the entire process in a simple way. Let's get started. Airbnb requires identity verification to improve safety and trust between guests and hosts. In many cases, you must complete ID verification before making certain bookings or becoming a host. Step 1. Log in to your Airbnb account. Open the Airbnb app or go to airbnb.com in your browser. Sign in using your email, phone number, Google, or Apple account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on your profile picture, select Account, then go to Personal Info. Look for the Identity Verification section. Step 3. Start the verification process. Click or tap Verify your identity. Airbnb will explain what you need: a government-issued ID, a selfie or live photo, sometimes additional information like date of birth. Click Continue. Step 4. Upload your government ID. Choose the type of ID: passport, driver's license, national ID card. Take a clear photo of the front and back if required. Make sure the image is not blurry, all corners are visible, and there is no glare. Upload the images. Step 5. Take a selfie. Airbnb may ask you to take a live selfie. Follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure you are in good lighting and your face is clearly visible. This step helps Airbnb match your face with your ID. Step 6. Submit and wait for approval. After uploading everything, click Submit. Verification usually takes a few minutes, but sometimes it can take up to 24 hours. You'll receive a notification or email once your ID is approved. Important tips: make sure your Airbnb account name matches your government ID. Do not use edited or cropped images. If verification fails, carefully re-upload clearer images. If you face issues, contact Airbnb support through the Help Center inside the app. And that's it. That's how you verify your ID on Airbnb step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical travel app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.